Hi everyone, my name is Alisa.
Hi everyone, my name is Ariane.
And my name is Alisa, your English teacher. Welcome to this English lesson. Today we are going to learn 50 action verbs in English. Action verbs are words that describe things we do, like walk, eat, and run. In this lesson, I'll show you many useful action verbs and example sentences, so you can understand them and start using them in your own English. To blink, blink, blink,
Blink.
blink. Good job. Let's blink together.
B.
She blinked quickly because of the bright light. She blinked quickly because of the bright light. Wink.
Big Google.
He winked at me playfully. He winked at me playfully. He winked at me playfully. Wink. Stare. Stare. Don't stare at people. It's rude. To glance. She glanced at the clock. Glance. To observe. Observe. The teacher observed the students. Observe. So the teacher observed the students. The teacher observed the students. Ears. Hear. I can hear the music from outside. I can hear the music from outside. Listen. Listen. Please listen carefully.
I don't want to listen.
Don't want to listen?
No.
Okay, Ariane doesn't want to listen.
Listen to me.
Listen to me. Yeah. Smell. Can I smell your shirt? Smells so good. Your shirt smells so good. You want to smell me? Do I smell good?
Yeah.
Yeah. Sneeze. Apchi. Apchi. He sneezed loudly. He sneezed loudly. Snore. Snore. For example, my father snores at night. My father snores at night. Snore. Psh. Psh.
Talk.
Good job. Talk. For example, she likes to talk a lot. She likes to talk a lot. To speak. For example, he speaks English well. He speaks English well. Whisper.
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 Good job. They whispered secrets. They whispered secrets. Don't shout at me. To shout, don't shout at me. Yell. The coach yelled instructions. Yell.
Smile.
Smile. Smile to me. Smile. Don't laugh. Laugh. Don't laugh. She laughed at the joke. She laughed at the joke.
Don't laugh.
Oh, I'm sorry, I'm not gonna laugh. Can you kiss my cheek? Can you kiss my cheek?
What's your cheek?
This is my cheek. Can you kiss my cheek? Oh, thank you. To kiss. Kiss. Oh, thank you. Ariane loves to kiss mommy, right? What are you doing now?
Ice cream.
So say, I'm eating my ice cream.
I'm eating my ice cream.
Eat, eat.
Bite.
Bite. Good job. Please be careful. Bite small pieces. Be careful. Bite small pieces. To lick. To lick the ice cream.
Chew.
To chew. To chew something. To spit. To spit. He spat on the ground. To spit. Attack. Oh. To yawn.
Too young.
To yawn.
Too young.
You yawned this morning. To yawn. Be careful. Don't touch the floor. To touch. To touch. Can you touch my hand? Touch my hand. Yeah. Can you touch my nose? touch my nose. Yeah, touch my nose. Can you grab my arm? Grab. Grab. Yeah. Good job. To grab. Okay, so can you grab my leg? Grab my leg. Ariane, can you hold a flower? Hold. To hold. To hold. To smell. Does it smell good?
Yeah.
It smells good. Can you wave goodbye? Wave goodbye.
Goodbye, what is?
I'm saying, can you wave goodbye?
Goodbye, what?
To wave. Bye. Say, okay, Ariane is waving goodbye now. To wave.
I'm going to sleep.
Are you going to sleep? Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
To wave. Okay, now come back. Okay, now come back and wave hello. Come back. Can you wave hello? Can you wave hello? To wave.
Rest a little bit.
You want to rest a little bit? What does it mean to rest? Wait.
To rest.
Great.
Who's tired and goes to rest.
Okay, the person who is tired goes to rest, right? Can you clap your hands? Clap. To clap? Okay, let's shake hands. Can you shake my hand? To shake. To shake hands.
Bye.
Bye-bye. See you. Bye.
Don't go with me.
Okay, I will not go. Can you do like this? What am I doing now? I'm snapping my fingers. To snap. To snap.
I can snap.
Yes. Can you snap? To pinch.
To pinch. I'm pinching.
Can you pinch me? Aye, it hurts. To scratch.
Scratch.
To scratch. Can you scratch my hand? Yeah. To scratch. Go bring that toy. That toy over there. To point. To point on something.
Throw.
To throw. Good job. Okay, so can you throw it to me and I'll catch it? Can you throw it to me? Throw. Oh, be careful. Gently. Throw it gently, okay? Oh. To catch. Good job.
Pull.
To pull, right? To pull something. Can you push me? Push. Push. Ooh. So Ariane is pushing me now. Can you kick the ball? Kick. Good job. Kick the ball. Kick the ball. Kick. To step. To step. She stepped on the stage. To step. To walk. To walk. Ariane, what does it mean to run? To run. What does it mean to run? Yes. To run. Can you run fast? Can you run fast? Can you run fast? Okay, good job. Thank you. Show everybody how to jump. Can you jump? Yay! To stomp, to stomp. For example, he stomped his feet angrily. He stomped his feet angrily. So, to dance, let's dance. To dance. Let's dance with me. Can you squat? Good job. Squat. Can you cough? Can you cough? Yeah, to cough. To cough. Okay, and can you scream? To scream. To scream. Can you scream? The child screamed loudly. The child screamed loudly. Can you reach the car? Can you reach the car? To reach. Can you reach the car? Reach the car with your hand. Ah! Reach the car. Oh, hello. You're another friend. Reach the car. Can you reach the car? Yeah, you can reach the car with your hand. Good job.
Cat licking.
Yes, the cat is licking its fur. The cat is licking its fur. Oh, don't be scared. We're not gonna do anything to you. What am I doing now? Tick, 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 tick. Tick, tick, tick. To tickle. Tickle. Do you like when I tickle you?
I don't like.
Okay, Ariane doesn't like when I tickle him. Ariane doesn't like to be tickled.
Well, I
Yes, when you were small, you were crawling in Canada, right? Okay. Are you crawling now too?
Yeah.
Like a baby?
Yeah.
Or like a big boy?
A big boy.
Yeah, Ariane is crawling now. To crawl. Great job. Thank you for learning English with me. See you soon. Take care.